Hello everyone, today topic of presentation is 2023 Volume 1 entire 117 Judgments of Supreme Court of India. First one is APG Shipyards Liquidator versus Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. The court held that the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Codes apply over the Customs Duty Act in the present case. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes Customs was wrong in the claiming the customs duty and was wrong in claiming that the credit debtor, that is APG Shipyard, had no right to warehouse goods. Second one is Anand Sarbhadra Noida held that Union of India, in which it was held that a sale agreement between the builder and the allotted has such a commercial effect, and NC Enclate held that there was no sale of land of Noida and thus the merely of payment of fixed premium installment, the lease deed cannot be said to be finance lease. Entire Corporation Limited versus Devas Multimedia Private Limited 216 page number. The Supreme Court upheld that the Enclate order winding up Devas Multimedia Limited ground of fraud. Fourth one is Arvindra Electronic Private Limited versus SBI 540 page number. Application for oral hearing is rejected. Having carefully gone through the review petition, the order under challenge and the paper annexed therewith, we are satisfied that there is no error apparent on the face of the record. Appeal is dismissed. Fifth one is Ashish Agarwal versus Union of India. The court held that reassessment notice issued under Section 148 of Income Tax Act 1961, which were not challenged before the Supreme Court of India versus Ashish Agarwal, were not quashed. Subsequently, issuance of fresh assessment notice under Section 148 for the assessment year without jurisdiction. Sixth one is Assistant Director General of Foreign Trade Chowgul and Co. Limited case. In the view of the above and for the reasons stated above, the High Court has rightly confirmed the order passed by the authority denying the benefit of the additional license to the appellant. We are in complete agreement with the view taken by the High Court. The appeal deserved to be dismissed. Order to no. Seventh one is Balkrishnan versus Pharaonic Arcade Private Limited 662 page number. In the view of the above and for the reasons stated above, we are of the opinion that the High Court has not committed any error in passing the judgment and order and directed the designated authority to dispose of the application under Section 14 of the Sarfasi Act. We are then complete 19 agreement with the view taken by the High Court. Appeal is dismissed. Eighth one is Bank of Rajasthan Private Limited versus VCK Shares and Stock Broken Service Limited. The bench also noted that the provision of Section 96 and 1911 of the RDB Act, which related to set-off and counterclaim, conferred an additional choice on the borrower submitted to the jurisdiction of the RDT. However, the bench stated that the provision cannot be interpreted and restricting the jurisdiction of the civil court under Section 9. Ninth one is BBR India Limited versus SP Singla Construction Private Limited 693 page number. In view of the aforesaid discussion and reason, we do not find any merit of the present appeal and the same dismissed without any order as to cost. Dismissed petition. Birla Sun Life Insurance Company Limited versus Mahindra Todi 534 page number. According to the appear in the party allowed to the extent and in the manner that the part from the amount of 45,000 interest thereupon that is allowed by the National Commission, the respondent insurance company limited shall be further amount of the rupees 45,000 to apply together with the 9% interest. Remaining cases in the next video for next part of which I will be make. Thank you for watching my videos.